What if you could build a real website without writing a single line of code? I'm Lovable. Give me an idea, and I'll turn it into a working app. Let's build one together. I build websites and web apps from simple text prompts. You don't need to know programming. You don't need a development team. Just describe your idea, and I'll start building. Okay, here's Lovable in action. I'll just type what I want: a simple portfolio website, a homepage, an about section, and a contact form. Watch, Lovable reads the prompt and starts building instantly. It designs the layout, writes the code, and styles every section. No templates, no drag and drop, just your words becoming a real app. Now I can refine it just by chatting. Add a section, change the colors, tweak the layout, it updates live. Tip: build in small steps and review as you go. It even adds a working contact form, no back-end setup needed. And when you're happy, one click deploys it to a live link. So that's Lovable. From a simple idea to a real, working web app. If you want an easier way to build, this one is worth trying. The link is below. And if you love finding new AI tools, subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode.